Welcome to your Midday Sports. We begin with football. Interim Reggae Girlz head coach Xavier Gilbert said the coaching staff took a calculated approach in their 1-1 draw with Panama in Wednesday evening's CONCACAF Gold Cup qualifier at the National Stadium, which saw the Jamaicans missing out on automatic qualification. Panama booked their spot in the Gold Cup with the result after taking the lead in the 31st minute from Marta Cox. The Jamaicans hit back on the stroke of half-time thanks to Chanel Buckley. The home team made only 3 changes, with 2 coming in the 85th minute. But despite weary-looking legs, Gilbert said the coaching staff had to be logical in their approach.
We also have to remember we are in a different dynamics than the other 2 teams. We have 2 games in 5 days. Each of them have just a one-off game. And we have to be smart in terms of our approach and what we do. You know, I just couldn't be just erratic and just make subs. I know what I'm working with. I understand the dynamics. I understand the situation that we are in. And we're just going to give it our all on Sunday.
The Reggae Girlz will face Guatemala on a Sunday, knowing that a win would put them in the qualifiers for the inaugural staging of the Gold Cup. Despite their CONCACAF Nations League exploits, where the Reggae boys, former champions Jamaica College will take on another former winner Excelsior High in one of 2 semi-finals in the Issa Urban Area Walker Cup knockout competition at the Stadium East Complex this afternoon. The match kicks off at 5:30. It will be preceded by the St Andrew Technical Wolmer's Boys Clash that takes place at 3. The winners will meet in next Friday's final at the National Stadium. And finally, 3 days before the West Indies take on England in the first of 3 one-day internationals, Barbadian wicketkeeper batter Shane Durridge announced his retirement from international cricket on Thursday. Durridge earned a recall to the international cricket arena for the first time in 3 years after this month as the backup wicketkeeper option following the regional Super 50 competition. The 32-year-old made his international debut against Australia in Dominica in 2015. He played 35 test matches where he scored 1,570 runs, including 3 centuries, with a top score of 125 not out against Sri Lanka in Trinidad in 2018. Behind the stumps, he took 85 catches and made 5 stumpings. He also played a lone one-day international in Ireland in May 2019. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. O'Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm O'Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, have a good afternoon.